In this video, we are going to talk about the architecture of cloud-based finance and operations apps. You can deploy finance and operations apps in the cloud or on-premises. As a developer, it's important for you to understand the difference between these architectures. Depending on the type of deployment that your organization chooses, architecture and the application capabilities might vary. On top we have a tenant, which basically represents an organization. It's a dedicated instance of the Azure Entra ID service that an organization receives and owns when it creates a relationship with Microsoft. Next we have subscription. A subscription to finance and operations apps gives you an online cloud environment and experience. You can have auto subscription or multiple subscriptions to manage your financial cost and billing. As shown on this diagram, Finance and Operations app is deployed on cloud and it is integrated with Microsoft Azure Active Directory, now known as Microsoft Entra ID for authentication and authorization. Access to Microsoft Entra ID is provided as part of a subscription to Finance and Operations apps. Application is also closely integrated with Lifecycle Service, Azure DevOps, and Office 365 Admin Service. Finance and Operations apps are deployed through LCS. Various topologies are available. These topologies are development, test, build, acceptance test, performance test, and high availability production. Microsoft Dynamics Lifecycle Services, or LCS, provides a cloud-based collaborative workspace that customers and their partners can use to manage projects from pre-sales through implementation and operations. LCS provides checklists and tools to help you manage your project based on the phase of the project. It also provides a dashboard so that you have a single location where you can obtain up-to-date project information. Azure DevOps is used primarily for code version control and to deploy a build environment. Azure DevOps is also used to track support incidents, such as work items in Azure DevOps that are submitted to Microsoft through cloud-powered support, and to integrate the Business Process Modeler (BPM) library hierarchy into your Azure DevOps project as a hierarchy of work items. Azure DevOps is also used during code upgrades.